What's up, YouTube? Back again for another video, man. And I'm fired up about this Q4. Um, I started off the month right. The first day, I had 11 sales. Second day, I had 15. I got 15 currently, and it's 9:29 p.m. where I live. So hopefully, I get some more before the day ends. But I just want to share you guys my numbers and my breakdown and what's going on. I'm currently not running any ads. Um, I just decided not to this month. I haven't ran ads since October, and I probably don't plan to. Um, so it's been going fucking great, man. I had one Christmas shirt that sold 9 different times today. It wasn't like in a bunch. It was just like randomly by itself. So that was cool. Um, some stuff is selling that hasn't sold in a really long time. Um, so yeah, it's starting off right, man. It's starting off right. So let's look at this month so far. I already got 26 sales. I already made $113. Um, my goal this month is to at least make 1,000. Um, I wanted to do that last month and missed it by a little, but we still striving for that. So I've been on the computer all fucking day. I'm wired, drinking too much caffeine, and I've been getting it in, man. The last, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, last 5 days, um, last 5, 6 days, I've had over 10 sales, and that's just lovely, man. So I'm trying to keep that going. So I'm gonna show you a little bit of what's going on. Um, so yeah, 26 sales. My royalty is 437, which is pretty high. Most of my shirts I'm selling. All the newest shirts that I've put out in the last couple months are all 19.99. If it's under that, then it's an older shirt. Um, or maybe even a couple of these V-necks. Um, they're up 19.99. It's just a lower royalty. But yeah, as you can see, let's see, hold on. Just been a little bit of everything that's been selling, which is nice. Um, I'm just excited, man. I've been literally glued to this fucking computer all day, like seriously, trying to get it in before at least December 14th. So what I've been doing is up until probably the 7th, I'm gonna be done posting Christmas shirts, and I'm doing nothing but evergreens. So just trying to maximize my Christmas profits, which, man, I kind of really took over a niche, and that's why I've been kind of having these sales. I found a really good low competition niche for Christmas, and I've been fucking killing it, man. And I've been trying to just upload in that same niche over and over again, not trying to give nobody a chance to, find it, and just exploiting it. So, um, I damn near have at least 6 different designs on the front page of this niche now, a few on the second page. So it's really going good. I'm really excited to see where this ends. I'm glad to share my journey with you guys. Can you guys put in the comment section? Let me know how many sales you got today. What is going on with you guys' account? I want to see. I definitely wanna know, because there's some people that are killing it, and then there's some people that are saying it's still slow. So, um, just wondering that. I haven't sold anything in any other marketplace though, um, yet. Let's see what I've been selling. Um, so 17 shirts, 3 sweatshirts, 2 hoodies, 1 zip hoodie. Yeah, you can see this 1 1 1 1 1. I don't want to bore you. Um, but it's going really good. It's just like a mixture of everything. It's not really one sided. Besides this shirt right here, as far as today. Um, everybody, I keep finding so many copycats trying to steal this design. And just to touch on my last video, when I say copycats, I mean people stealing my exact P for P design, pixel for pixel. Um, that is unacceptable. I mean, I don't care about people that are, finding inspiration from my design and making something similar with their own pre-made or with their own whatever they have. But when you use my graphics that I made, oh, I'm reporting that ass. But yeah, this is what it's looking like today. Put in the comment section what's going on in your guys' account today. I want to stay on you guys' journey too. So, um, man, put a thumbs up to this video. Make sure you guys hit that sub button for more content and more updates on my account. Until next time.